Ever tried to write text on top of a picture in Word Mobile and got confused? Well, good news, it's actually super easy and you can do it in less than a minute. Let me show you how. First, open the Word app on your phone and create a new document. After that, go to the Insert tab. Now tap Pictures, then choose Photos so you can add an image from your gallery. Pick the picture you want to use. Before inserting it, you can edit it if you want, like crop it, rotate it, or apply filters. But if you don't need that, just tap Finish. Alright, now your image is in the document. Next, stay in the Insert tab and tap Text Box. A text box will appear. Just drag it and place it on top of the picture wherever you want your text to be. Now type the text you want. But wait, we need to remove the box background so it looks clean. Tap Fill, then select No Fill. This removes the background color. Then tap Outline and choose No Fill again. That removes the border around the text box. Perfect. Now go to the Home tab and this is where you can style your text. You can change the font, color, make it bold, italic, or anything you like. And that's it. Now you know how to write text on top of an image using Word Mobile. Super easy, right? And before you go, here's a quick question for you. Do you have any other simple Word Mobile tricks that people should know? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to check them out.